Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just about 12 noon in Honolulu, 6 o'clock in New York. It is Monday, June 18th, 2018, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. After Friday's tremendous and volatile sell-off in both gold and silver pricing, we see that gold and silver are trading fractionally unchanged and are trying to find some footing. Gold closing up about $2.10 at $12.8060, and silver losing approximately a cent at $16.46. And that is with a dollar that is pretty much unchanged on the day, down 2 points at 94.42. A 100-point drop in the Dow, taking it below 25,000, closing at 24,987. And the futures exchange, Chicago Mercantile Exchange Bitcoin futures contract did close up about $180 at $67.10. Considering Friday's dramatic decline of a little bit over $25, today's net gain of about $2.10 in gold futures is fractional at best. We're looking at a daily chart, and we can absolutely see that over the last month we have had 2 days in which we had dynamic sell-offs, and both of these days came following a week in which we had nominally higher prices as gold appeared to be in a rally mode before selling off briskly here, as well as Friday's dynamic sell-off. Currently, we are looking at gold trading at $12.8060, and that puts the former level of support, which we earmarked at approximately $12.86, as now a level of resistance. As we spoke about on Friday, the dramatic sell-off witnessed on that day certainly created some short-term chart damage. At the same time, in terms of long-term chart analysis, we do not see any major damage stemming from that single-day sell-off. However, what is important is where gold pricing goes from here, because today's modest gain is certainly not an indication that we have found some potential support in this area, and we will have to see throughout the trading week if gold pricing drifts lower. If that is the case, our next level or target that we would look at would be approximately $12.66, which is the 0.618% retracement, as well as the 0.78% retracement. It is a harmonics, and for that reason indicates a strong number if in fact gold begins to trade lower. If we do see gold attempting to recover, it's not going to be until it breaks above the 50%, 0.618% harmonics when we would have some real confidence, because at that point we could in fact see the former level of support, which has now become resistance, move back as a supportive price point. Therefore, traders, my recommendation is to maintain a neutral stance with no active trades in gold. And traders, just as gold traded fractionally higher on the day, silver closed fractionally lower, losing about 1.5 cents at $16.46. What is most noteworthy is we spoke about the dynamic rally which we saw occur in silver over the last trading week, which resulted in silver trading above not only the shorter-term 50-day moving average, but also the 200-day moving average, and that was followed by a spike above the 50% retracement, which resides at $16.95. And if you recall from when silver was trading in this area, our concern was whether or not we would see silver react similar to what we saw back mid-April, when silver touched and traded beyond 17, trading as high as 17.26 before falling back and then trading lower. And traders, that is precisely what we witnessed. I am looking for silver at this point to trade nominally lower, with major support not coming in till 16.35 as low as 16.23. And I believe that when we find support in gold, we will also find it in silver, and it will give us an opportunity to play the range-bound market that has been so prevalent for the better part of this year, really beginning in February. We can safely say that buys coming in the low $16, $16.10 to maybe $16.35 are good placements, and to look to cover those trades just shy of $17 per ounce. And traders, lastly, I do want to take a quick look at Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin futures gained about $180 today, approximately a 3% gain on the day. And we can safely say that the lows witnessed last week as Bitcoin futures dropped close to $6,000 per coin could be an area of support. We're now at 67.10. And if we see higher pricing, I am looking at resistance at 7,200, support at $6,000. Traders, the fact of the matter is we had a brutal and violent sell-off Friday of last week. And the fact of the matter is we see both gold and silver attempting to stabilize, and the key is the short-term direction in both of these precious metals. We laid out various levels of support and resistance in both metals, and we will look for further clues in terms of direction as this week progresses. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We'll talk to you tomorrow for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.